CAPCUT editing tutorial. Import your clips. Delete unwanted clips. Increase the speed of your clips. Review your video. Mute all your audio from your clips. Put some effects to your video. Import your music. Now put the audio you selected in your video. Add some beats from the help of CAPCUT's AI. Review your video. Enable noise reduction. Level all effects and music. Use the cutting tool and make cuts in between of the clips, so we can put transitions. Add some transitions to enhance your video quality. Add some filters to make the video look good. Minor adjustment. Final result.